Autocurrentrea aseptic meningitis. Meningitis I à condition ta cause de tissu covering your brain spinal cord to become inflamed. Something, t'inflammation quand occur a reçu of a bacterial infection. Tic non a bacterial meningitis. When t'inflammation is caused by bacteria, te condition I cal aseptic meningitis. Virus cause the vast majority of aseptic meningitis case, which with condition I also non a viral meningitis. Aseptic meningitis I more common en bacterial meningitis, but I symptoms are usually less severe. Serious complications are rare en most people completely recover without OVI café ton set of symptoms. What cause aseptic meningitis? Abu alpha-fal aseptic meningitis casar caused by common seasonal virus intelate sommean erlifal. Virus attaquant cause aseptic meningitis include the following. Chickenpox. HIV. Herpes simplex. Measles. West Nile. Rabies. You can catch the virus by coming into contact with an infected person coug, saliva, or fecal matter. You can also get some of the virus from a mosquito bite. In rare case, OT condition can lead to aseptic meningitis. These include fungal infection, syphilis, Lyme disease, tuberculosis, drug allergy, inflammatory disease. Aseptic meningitis may develop rapidly or over the course of several weeks, depending on the type of organism that caused the condition. WHO is risk of developing aseptic meningitis? Anyone can get aseptic meningitis, but yes strat occur among children under age 5. The vaccine to protect children from bacterial meningitis are always effective against aseptic meningitis, which is caused by virus en OT organism. Children WHO attend lors des car are en increased risk of catching a virus that can cause aseptic meningitis. A du WHO working to the facility are also a risk. People are more likely to develop meningitis if they have a condition to weaken their immune system, such as diabetes. What are the symptoms of aseptic meningitis? Symptoms of aseptic meningitis can vary depending on the virus or medical condition that caused it. Sometimes, the symptoms emerge until the original condition are in course. In general, however, the symptoms of aseptic meningitis in children and adults include a fever, chill, asthma ache, apinfluid ache, body ache, sensitivity to light, or photophobia, a loss of appetite, vomiting, fatigue. Infant and toddler may show the following symptoms. A fever, irritability and frequent crying, poor eating, sleepiness or trouble waking up after sleeping. Aseptic meningitis often a mild condition, and you may recover with medication or treatment. Since many of the symptoms are similar to those of the common cold or flu, you may never even know that you had aseptic meningitis. Mimic aseptic meningitis differ from bacterial meningitis, which cause severe symptoms and may believe threatening. However, you should still seek medical treatment if you suspect you or your child aseptic meningitis. With a medical exam, it can be difficult to tell what type of meningitis you have in early stage. Aseptic meningitis can also cause dangerous complications in some cases, and it is important for your doctor to monitor your condition until you recover. You should call your doctor as soon as possible if you or your child are any of the following symptoms. A stiff, painful neck. A debilitating, persistent ache. Césure. These may be signs of a note, more serious medical condition. OI aseptic meningitis diagnosed? If your doctor suspects you have meningitis, they order certain tests to determine whether you have aseptic meningitis or bacterial meningitis. In most cases, your doctor will perform a lumbar puncture or spinal tap. A spinal tap, which extracts cerebrospinal fluid from your spine, is only definitive way to diagnose meningitis. Spinal fluid de bit brun sur und brun spinal cord to protected. Your spinal fluid oui la vig protein level en 1 with blue de cell coin if you have meningitis. Ti fluid quand also el pure doctor determine what e bacteria, virus, orote infectio agent arcosignat meningitis. Your doctor ma also order additional test to determine the specific virus ta causet aseptic meningitis. The test quand include blue test or imagine test, sucha serait en CT scan. Oui, aseptic meningitis treated? Treatment option ma vary depending on the specific cause of the meningitis. Most people with aseptic meningitis completely recover with to specific medical treatment with an on to 2 week. You'll be instructed to rest, drink plenty of water, and take medication to help relieve your symptoms. Analgésique anti-inflammatory medication may be recommended for pain and fever control. Your doctor might also prescribe specific medication if aseptic meningitis or caused by a fungal infection or by a treatable virus, such as herpes. What long-term outlook? Very few people with aseptic meningitis en up with a lasting illness. The majority of cases resolve with an 1 to 2 week after onset of symptoms. In rare cases, aseptic meningitis can lead to brain infection. Complications are more likely to occur if you don't seek treatment for your condition. They may also arise if you have an underlying condition that weaken your immune system. How can aseptic meningitis be prevented? You and your children should get vaccinated for certain virus that can cause aseptic meningitis, such as chickenpox and mumps. It's also important to practice good hygiene to reduce your risk of getting meningitis. Wash your hands before meal and after using the restroom, and your children to do the same. Always cover your mouth before sneezing or cooking. You should also avoid sharing drink or food with others, especially when you're in a group setting. You can also prevent meningitis by making sure you get plenty of rest, maintain a healthy diet, and avoid contact with others who have symptoms of a cold or the flu.